it's me Zoac. Today I'll be showing you how to fold this easy model designed by Jeremy Schaefer. It's a pretty cool dragon, and I really like this dragon because his wings are. And the name of this dragon is the King Dragon because he has king wings, flaps, and also have an arrowhead tail, and also have a best head. And if you don't know where the feet is or the legs, it's right down here, and it's kind of pretty cool. It doesn't really stand because his legs are too small for it. You can use a big paper, but not this big square sheet of paper. You can use 10 inches square, but then you'll end up like Jeremy did. Colored on half, and the other half is white. So that I'm not doing that. All you need is just the other side's paper and cut it square. So let's cut it square. So I'm actually finishing cutting it square. Spoiler warning. Don't cut it square, or you have a mess up. Then you have to get it on your parents. And then after cutting it square, see, it's if I unfold it, I cut it, it kind of looks like a square. You can get it in my head. But I cannot tell you. I can tell you where the head is, where the wing is, but I cannot tell you how this will end up. So to refold it in half, just like this, and again, I don't know if you can see this. You have to see this. You have to see this. So fold again in half. See, you have that nice little sheath thing. You have to fold that in half, just like that. Don't get it. This is it. Fold it in half. Fold it in half. Make sure this point will align on this point. So I'm gonna do it on the floor because it's super hard. What I meant to say is it's really hard if you have no table. And what's really cool about this, because it kind of looks like a fan, but I'm gonna make it not like a fan. So that's pretty cool, huh? And if you fold it, kind of looks like a water bomb base. If you unfold it, it still looks like a water bomb base. You have to crease that, refold that, and crease it sharp. You have to fold. Now you have a pretty cool crease right there. You have to fold this point that will align on this crease. Wait guys, I have to open the door. So I opened the door right now. So now I'm gonna squeeze it sharp. It's no worries if you don't get it right, because it's only a crease and it's not that important. So now what you do is you fold this edge until they align with that center crease. It's way more cooler. See, kind of looks like this. If I fold it, kind of looks like that. This wing. But I'll be showing you either how to make the tail like this. All you need is just following. Oh, it actually stands. I didn't tell you. I didn't even understand. See? That's how the baby dragon goes. And that's pretty cool. Let's continue making it. Do the same thing. Repeat the same thing on the other side. What do I call it? And not flip the paper up, because this is what you need. And then fold this, and fold this edge. See, if I unfold it, if I fold both, it kind of looks like a pyramid or a moon. But it's not really a moon, so that's not okay. So you fold this edge until it aligns with this edge. This is how I fold it. Fold it just like this, get this, and fold it to that edge. And this is kind of not short film. It's a long. Make sure it's. You can fold this only 14 minutes, so we have to get hurry with it. You just repeat the same thing on the other side. Why am I distracted sometimes? And now, flip it over. It's right here. Kind of looks like a Eiffel Tower. And flip the Eiffel Tower up, and then fold this edge to the center crease. Make sure if you fold it, this edge will align on this fold, which we are folding right now. That's neat. And if I fold it, it kind of looks like a skinnier Eiffel Tower. And now repeat the same thing on the other side. It kind of looks like the very tall Eiffel Tower. So now flip it over like this. It's right here, and flip it over and fold it in half because it may be pretty cool. And see, it's kind of starting to look like the wing right here. But you see, in this flap, there's a pocket. So open just one pocket, but do not squash this fold. You don't need to squash it. And repeat the same thing on the other side. Another distraction in my head. And then it kind of looks like that. And then this will be the wing of the dragon. And now we're gonna separate the wings. This is how I separate the wings. See? This is the wing right here. And rotate like this right here, and then rotate, and then get this flap with your own hands and do the same thing on this. Okay? And then see if you get them out together, just separate just like this. So see, this is gonna be the head. Now just fold that fold. See, it kind of looks like that. You gotta fold that fold. It already has a crease, so you have to open that so that open will reach in right over there. So it kind of looks like the wing right now. The wing is open, so that's pretty cool. So to make the head, you can make the head right over here, which is 3 flaps, or you can make a tail right here. So I'm gonna make the tail right over here because it's much more easier, much more easier. It depends on you. Yeah. And see, I made the tail right now. I'm making the tail right now. See, if I close that back, there's a pocket here. So we're gonna reverse fold this at the top so that this edge will align on. It's up to you where edge do you want it to align. And we speak Philippines when I speak Philippines. I speak English when I'm vlogging. So now I'm gonna have to reverse. See, after reverse folding, it kind of looks like that. There's still one more pocket, and reverse fold it down so that this point will align on this point because that's gonna be the leg. So that's why I'm going like this, and then kind of looks like this. Well, pick the arrowhead. You still reverse fold it. See, if I reverse fold it, there's one more pocket right here. You have to reverse fold that pocket, and see, it kind of looks like that. So now I'm not using the aircon because it's too cold and too scary by myself. And to bring it upside down, I'll rotate it, put a ring on it, and come up like that. Then kind of looks like the tail. To make an arrowhead tail, this is how I make it. And I curve it just like that. It's like that, and then I curve this one piece like that. That's gonna be the tail. So that's pretty cool. The tail looks pretty cool. It also flaps. And then it's starting to look like the tail, so that's pretty cool. So now reverse fold right here. It's up to you, where do you want to reverse fold it. I want it on the left side, not on the right side, because that's what I'm talking. That's what I want. It's up to you. If you want it right, then you want to reverse it. Reverse fold it right. It kind of looks like the dragon, and the wing is pretty good. Now we're gonna reverse fold right here. Oh wait, I didn't tell you yet. Still, I'm gonna fold this point inside right there. There's actually no pocket. I'm just making it just like that. And see, if I fold it just like that, reverse fold it like that. And then now fold this edge until aligned with this edge. Can you see this? And shape the body or the neck. And now, I didn't tell you yet, you have to fold on these sides. They're excess piece. And to make it, now you have done your origami dragon. To make it flap, you will just hold the feet just like this, and then separate them. See, it flaps like that. And that's pretty cool. And that's how you make a paper dragon. So I hope you liked the video, and subscribe, like, and share. See you later, guys. Bye, guys.